Welcome to this tour of Barnsley Model Railway Club's Yorkshire Coast Tramway. As the ex-London Feltham tram passes along the line into the town square at Ossig, there's time to tell you that this is a double O-gauge, 4mm scale layout inspired by the Manx Electric Railway. Engineered and built in large part by the club's president Steve Watson, this is a DCC layout with working road vehicles. The first of which we see here, an 8-wheeled Leyland Octopus. As we turn the corner, a Manx winter saloon with a crossbench trailer passes in front of the Ossig railway station apron, with a Bedford TK Pantechnicon appearing alongside. An 8-wheeled AEC Major Mammoth passes by as we move back to the corner of the square, and a red Horsfield tram and Leyland PD2 bus in Sunderland livery approach. We see a Leyland Windover in Yorkshire traction colours around the corner as we look up the line, and a Blackpool Brush single-deck tram descends towards the town. The Guy Pantechnicon crosses the tram lines adjacent to the depot, and the Horsfield tram heads back towards the town. This is followed by the Feltham tram showing its centre entrance. As the coach from the 1960s approaches, we see the depot with its stable of Manx saloons, including the oldest number 1 car. We follow the Bedford TK Arctic and head further up the line to the Growdale Hotel, complete with tram stop. The model trams are powered from the overhead, providing DCC A rail, and the rails which provide the B rail connection. Heading towards us is a 1951 Leyland Pantechnicon and 2 coaches from the same era in the background. Further along the line, here's a Leeds Horsfield tram as Growdale Viaduct appears in the foreground. We then see this in more detail as the London Carriers lorry passes above. The road vehicles are self-powered and have a complex steering mechanism that employs a magnet following a steel wire in the roadway. At the tram crossings, infrared transmitters are triggered by the trams to stop the vehicles. Infrared transmitters at the rear of each vehicle similarly stop road vehicles catching each other. Proceeding along the line, we reach Halfway Cottage. Blackpool balloon tram passes the Ballerbeck stop. Which we then see returning past South Cape. Trams also pull the occasional freight van, heading towards the distant terminus. Thanks for watching, and as a reminder, the Barnsley Model Railway exhibition will take place in 2017 on the weekend of the 4th and 5th of November at the Hoyland Leisure Centre.